I'm creating another Py test. Okay, and first of all, let's learn about some input. Let's say variable client name is gonna get a value from input, and we're gonna type enter your name, then client age, input, enter your age. After that, I'm going to display it. First of all, comments input for use input for data collection. Once again, you're assigning whatever you collect from input, you're assigning to variables here. And use display input data, print your name is, and we can simply say plus client name, and your age is and client age variable. That's it. I'm gonna save it. And let's execute it. As you can see here, enter your name in the terminal. Michael, enter your age. That's it. Your name is Michael, your age is 45, whatever it is. Now, or we can put it different way. I want to make sure last time. Curly brackets once again. All of this F use. Now, cut it off. All of this F. Okay, file, save, execute. Same result as you can see. Okay. So now I'm going to do something else. Input male age. Male age. Gonna be here female age. Female age. Now here I'm going to display male age, and here I'm going to display female age. File, save. Let's say 25. 21. Good. We're doing good. So now we can do already something. Okay. Let's start learn Python logic. First of all, if male age more than female age, and here it is, we need to put a colon for the condition, colon. After that you click enter and make sure right now you see another nice thing about Python. Python has space indentation. In this case it's 4 spaces. You see under if space indentation. So here we can put something. Print male is older than female. Let's see our logic. File save. Let's run it. Male age 30, female age 25. Here it is, male is older than female. Right here. Clear the terminal. Let's continue with our logic. Now, to add a if, I need to step back. If here. Condition. Put same condition here. However, I'm gonna put less condition. Enter. Email will be. And finally, please make sure you use space indentation. Else, enter, print something. Okay. Startup logic. Let's go for it. Save. Let us run Python file. Male age, I say 21. Female age 25. Here's the outcome. Female is older than male. Clear your terminal. Let's enhance our logic. Now, if male age equals or more or equal 18 and female age more or equal 18, however, instead of like that and, you use and. That's it. If male age more or equal 18 and female age more or equal 18, let's do opposite way. 25, 25, okay? Print. Both are ready for life. Then sixty-five, 65, Both are good to retire. Okay, let's save and let's see what's wrong with this statement. First of all, I'm gonna put 25 bows. 25 bows. And here it is. Not supported for instances string and integer. To continue, we need to convert this to string to avoid this type of error. Same here. Okay, let me save it. And let's run it now. I put both to 25, both to 25, and both are ready for live here. I'll clear my terminal. However, if I put them to 65, 65, 65, still both are ready for live. Because I need to put this condition before this condition. So I'll cut it off. I enter this one first. I'll return this one later. Now, let's see. Save. Let me run the file. I'll put 65, 65. Both are ready for life. Retirement, sorry. I didn't switch them. Switch, love it. Okay. Clear the terminal. File save. Run. 65, 65. Both are good to retire. Here's the output. Now, clear your terminal and let us create something else. Now, let me make another one. If another condition, so here colon, do not forget, we're gonna be creating nested statement. Both are ready for live. Here will be else. Print. I'll simply both, no, I'll copy this one. Not ready for live. Okay, and this one, if it's gonna be less than 18 years old, here gonna be less than 18 years old. Right now we are learning logic. File save. We created nested statement. Let's see. I'll say more or equal 65. 65, 65. And it happens because we need to check first from small to big. So this one will be more or equal 18, more or equal 18. Both are good to vote. Then this one 21, 21s, both are ready for restaurants. And here will be inside this if gonna take this condition 25, 25. So colon, do not forget conditional colon, print, both are ready for grown life. So first of all, right now I created 3 statements. I'll add else here. I'll simply copy. I'll add not ready. Both go to, to both still have to finish school. Okay, so this is compound logic, nested logic. And let's see how it works. First of all, we're gonna check 18H, then 21, then 25. It's important that all of this is going to happen under first conditional statement. Let's execute it. We're gonna make H18 first. 18, 18. Both are good for to vote, both are not ready for life. Because they're under this condition still. And else. If I'll remove it, so it won't be simple if. Now I clear and I run it again. I'll make it 21, 21. Both are good to vote, more than 18. Both are ready for restaurants, 21 age, not ready for grown life. Good. Clear. Rerun this logic again. Let's say 25, 25. So both are good to vote for restaurants and for grown life. Clear. And let's rerun this logic. I'll make both 16. Both still have to finish the school. This is it. This is the outcome. Right now you learned how to assign to variable names input data from screen, how to display this input data, and how to create Python nested logic. That's it. See you in the next lectures.